So here we have the 2003 Titanium by GlendaleRV. Model number is a 29E34RL. Now this is a Canadian company. It is a 4 Seasons fifth wheel, close to 20 years old. I'm gonna check it out. Just came in on trade. Start opening some compartments. Single slide in the rear. It's a rear living floor plan. Got your outdoor shower, hot water tank. Let's see what the pass-through storage looks like. For the year, actually pretty clean. So we have your furnace, sewer hose, storage, sanitation dumps. Let's see in here. I don't know because it's locked. Let's see if I have a key that will open it. Some additional storage. Your propane tanks, that's actually pretty convenient. The switchover lever. In front, we have an area already prepared for a generator. As you see, the wiring plus the propane line, another access to your batteries. For the year, that's actually a pretty nice little modification to have added in. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. Again, conveniently locked. Just to get a view from both sides. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. One more storage compartment. Let's see what this one. Outdoor speakers. Now that's pretty cool. Interesting how they have them situated there. Now, the previous owner definitely upgraded these steps to go all the way to the ground, which is super convenient. Let's go ahead and put the slide out. Excellent. So as we enter the unit, again, it's a rear living unit, almost mint condition. Again, it's almost 20 years old. So we go to the very rear. You have your entertainment area, some cabinet storage, as well as your audio visual equipment, CD player, all that good stuff. Again, this is a 2003, so all of this was pretty awesome for back then. Also have your fireplace, some additional storage. There's a lot of storage in this fifth wheel. I'm assuming this was meant for long-term stays in colder weather climates, as this is a Canadian manufactured fifth wheel. Plenty of space up there. Here we have some rocking chairs as well as your dinette chairs. I don't know where the table is. Again, this is almost 20 years old. More cabinet storage. And again, more and more storage. You just don't run out in this unit. These old window dressings are really decorative, really nice. Those are still stiff. Golly, that's really stiff. Now, on the opposing side, we have your couch. And again, some additional storage up top. And get a pan in there. It's pass through. Then here we have your kitchen area. Mimicking the rest of the fifth wheel. Again, plenty of storage. Cabinet storage for days. What's back here? Additional pocket storage. Deeper storage. Very nice. Your 3-burner propane cooktop, your oven unit, that's cool. That's cool. Oop, wrong way, sorry. These actually get to pull up and then pull them out. They lock. That is super deep. And then under the sink area, huge residential size sink, residential lever, and then you also have an extension to give you even more countertop space area. Nice little decorative mirror. Now you have your RV fridge, both freezer and fridge running off of both propane and electric. As we go towards the very front of the fifth wheel, we have your pantry and additional storage. Previous owner put some racks in here, made it really nice. And then, what is that? Central vac. That's pretty cool. So you have a central vac system as well. Stairs have the plastic on them. This is such a nice unit. So you move forward. Before we get to the restroom, more closet space. Never seen so much interior storage space in a fifth wheel. And look, one more. Now, your restroom. Huge bathroom. As far as the shower is concerned, there is a tub and pretty fair amount of space in the shower. Plenty of space as far as the commode is concerned. Plenty of leg room, plenty of arm room. Controls for your generator if you have it installed. It's a weird place to have it, but it's nice to have a generator. And then in the master bedroom, another step up. Just take a look at some of this wardrobe space. Definitely enough space to live in. Some additional outlets. And then more drawer space. And on either side of the bed, ooh, gimbal's acting weird. You have some drawer space, plus some outlets. No storage over top, but you have your individual lights. And again, some privacy storage. Lastly, boy, heavy mattress. Have some storage under your bed. That's pretty cool. So there we have it. 2003 Titanium by GlendaleRV. Model number on this unit 29E34RL. Of course, the Canadians have to make it difficult. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.